How to delete Facebook Lite account permanently. So if you want to delete your Facebook Lite account permanently, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your search. Under search, you need to search for Facebook Lite. After searching, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and you need to scroll down and then go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to tap on settings. Now here under settings, you need to go with the account center. Under account center, you can go with personal details. Under personal details, go with account ownership and control, and go with deactivation or deletion. Now select your Facebook. After that, go with continue. And if you have any pages related to it, then you can just simply go with continue again, and it will ask you to enter your password. And after entering your password, your account will be deleted. That's how you can delete your Facebook Lite account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.